Second, exit effect. What is the exit effect? Determines the manner in determines the manner in which object lives on a slide. In this effect example, an object can move onto a slide. Determine the manner in which the object lives in a slide means the object moves off a slide. Suppose you work with a PowerPoint presentation and the so many objects is automatically move. So the intense effect move to the object, exit effect don't move to the object. The emphasis and the motion path. Emphasis effect, something to draw attention. Something to draw attention to an object. Something to draw attention to an object. Suppose when the slide show, when the presentation show, and the first time you open to the slide, the first time the all over to the letter is very small. So in emphasis effect, you just larger to the slide object. This is the emphasis effect. And the last, motion path. Motion path moves around a slide. What is the motion path? Motion path determines how an object moves. How an object moves around a slide. Suppose you make to the PowerPoint presentation. This is the slide, and I such that suppose I focus in this area. So any such type of diagram in this area, and I am shown in this area. So this option is provided. This object is automatically show in this particular slide, and this is a move to the slide. This is a round move. There are so many such type of effect option is applied in the PowerPoint. So I am presented in this particular slide, and I show in this particular slide object. So I am presented in after some time. The object is automatically the object is automatically present in this slide. This is the move path. Move path means an object can move from left to right. Move path means the object can move from left to right. My third point, how to open animation pane. My last point, how to open animation pane. First of all, select the object. First, select the object on the slide select the object on the slide that you want to animate। आप जिस स्लाइड को एनिमेट करना चाहते हो उस स्लाइड के ऑब्जेक्ट को आपको सिलेक्ट करना होगा। सेकंड, ऑन द एनिमेशन टैब क्लिक एनिमेशन पेन। क्लिक एनिमेशन पेन। My dear student, this is the diagram, is the animation pen. This is the star and add animation. This is the animation pen. Animation pen. This line is the trigger. This line is the trigger, and this is the last option, animation pointer, and you just the lower part area is showed to the advanced animation. This is the my third option. Click add animation. Click add animation and pick on animation effect. This is again to the one dialog box appear in front of you. Add animation. Add animation. Animation pen. Animation pen. This is also to the trigger. This area is the entrance. Appear. There are so many such type of animation. This is the appear is also animation. Fade is there are so many such type of options are available. Fly in. So you just add to the animation and you just do the advanced entrance animation. There are so many such type of animation. Just as the example, appear, fade, fly in, and this criteria is related to a start, duration option, and the last point, the delay option. There are three options in the right hand side available. So a start option on click. Duration is fixed to the duration you choose. How much This is the auto mode. You just click to the manual mode, your choice, and the delay option, delay your choice, how many times delay. This is the animation effect. And my last and the final area, to apply additional animation effect, to apply additional animation effect to the sum object, select it and click add animation, and pick another animation effect. My dear student, this is the add your animation effect. Thank you so much.